It feels great to have been able to send the fans home happy, and to have fans up and down the country happy. That's very special. In terms of the game, I was really pleased with the way we settled so quickly. It's some young players, some inexperienced international players, big occasion, not only a tough opponent, but a big occasion, sweltering hot day. Every reason to potentially look nervous at the start, but they didn't. You know, with and without the ball, they were composed, carried out, you know, what we wanted to do in terms of pressing brilliantly. And yeah, although it was always going to be a game of few clear chances, I thought we looked the bigger threat throughout, really.